Smithsonians, thank you very much for the birthday wishes. Yes, today is my birthday. 32 years on this earth and counting more, God willing. So as you guys know, I don't like making videos too much about myself, but I understand my value and that people needs to know they need the pathway. And this video is very special because I'm asking for a donation for HaConet, Haitian Community Network, that's here in Columbus, Ohio. We have many donors. Thank you to the donors, Representative Humphrey, Representative Dartavius, Senator Hirsch, LICI organization, the private donors, Motherful, many organizations that's here established in Ohio, the city of Columbus, that has helped HaConet support our people. There's a large demand, as people may know, and the only way to help is being a solution, which HaConet has successfully done. The group is well organized. The secretary is African, so we have a diverse board member. And me being a PR, I want to help you see and ask me questions on what you want to know, and I will bring that out. I vouch for HaConet. Thank you very much for your support. And let's not forget, America is the way it is because of Haiti. The freedom aspect, like we have 50 states without America helping you guys in the war. We are America. Chicago was founded by Haitian. Savannah, Georgia, there's monument there. Everywhere around the United States, there's Haitian handprints there. So let's not be selfish and remember that together we can do great things. I do support the American vision, the system, but there's a lot of improvements that needs to be made. And people knows that, and we're working towards that. So thank you for your time. Please be sure to donate via HaConet on Zelle, CashApp. Make sure you know, comment Smith says that I sent you guys, but no, you don't have to do that. But just please, whatever monetary amount you can do, just do it. We're here for the community. If you have any questions, just contact me. I'm the marketing PR person. And that's my mission, to show you what's going on. The majority of people are here are legal. They came to work. So let's respect the people. The media has done this job of bringing negative, but it's time to bring in positive. Show the case to light. And thank you for watching. Hope to see your support. If you just want to volunteer, also we need volunteers, teachers, and whatever support you can bring to the organization, we will ask you to apply, send your resume, and let us work together. Thank you very much. Smith says.